Hello guys, welcome to another episode of web design with me, Avevo Edwin. The last time we took a look at HTML basics and what HTML is, and we learned how to create a simple HTML page. Today we want to focus on tags and elements. Let's go over to our code and then we explain what tags and elements are. What is a tag? Tags are instructions written inside angle brackets. So a less than and a greater than sign. Tags usually come in pairs. So a starting tag and a closing tag. Remember, HTML is all about telling your page how to present items. So tags are just instructions that tell the HTML how to represent its items. When we look at this code, we will find out that right after doctype HTML, we'll find HTML, which is a starting tag. Below it on line 10 is the closing tag, and within that block you'll find the rest of the code written in there. For example, let's go over to body, and you can find H1 here. H1 stands for header, and this takes some elements. So let's look at what element is. So what then is an element? An element is everything from the opening tag to the closing tag, including the content within them. Example is H1 here. So we have H1 which says hello world. Now H1 is actually the tag which ends with a closing tag / H1. Now elements are the contents that are in between the tags. So for example, we have H1 here which takes its element hello world. Now when you look at the right side of my program, you would find it written hello world. This is actually what we see on the page. I have H2 as well, which is also a header tag, quite smaller than H1, I believe. It also has its elements, tags and elements as its title. So this is tag and element. So now that you know the differences, tags are the labels and elements are the complete piece that includes the tags and the content. In our next video, we'll explore more and talk about more about tags and then their formatting. See you next time. Bye.